Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about how to copy your Facebook page link. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your page Facebook by typing in the 3 point at the top right. Then type in here. Now go to your profile by typing here. Click in the 3 point at the right, and as you can see, this is page link. When you click it, you copied your link page Facebook. And as you can see, this is the link of my page. You can share it with anyone.